You just go by tons of houses where the kids are standing in the yards at the fence line, waiting for you and cheer you on as you go by. So they're so excited to see you. They know they think you're coming, and you go by them and they're like, hey, go, good luck. You know, little kids from 4 years old to 10 years old. So when I ride my bike through Sri Lanka and people are just cheering for me, it's heartwarming. It's quite delightful.
This Lion's Rock, which is the most iconic image of Sri Lanka, is really impressive in just the story behind it, in terms of the sheer physical presence of it. As a cyclist, the roads are way smoother than I anticipated. I'm a mountain biker and a gravel biker, so I'm pretty happy when we have the dirt sections and having things that are a bit more challenging.
For me, the cycling's the fun. To ride my bike through beautiful landscapes, and a day when it's going well and you're spinning along fast and you've got the scenery, you know, reaching out around you, that's the fun thing for me.
And the most important thing to do is find a Coke stop that has got a refrigerator, a cold one. So I try to find one. If you have a smile and you point to what you want, we get the job done. I've never once had a problem. Always we have a success.
Today we got to see how essentially cinnamon is made. I mean, they were basically taking the branches from the cinnamon trees, harvesting the bark, putting together these little packages. It's all done by hand, and a few of the riders bought cinnamon to take back. That's the culture, is whenever you kind of stop, you'll get invited to come on and join whatever's going on.
Well, I think the areas I liked a bunch also, and weather-related areas, actually some of the hilly and mountainous areas, especially because of just the comfort and the different sorts of areas. So I'd probably explore a little bit more in those sorts of areas.
How to have fun. Keep an open mind. Join in when there's something happening. Everybody needs a little break, of course they do. You need a bit of time on your own, but just go with the flow. If somebody says, come on, we're going for a tour to a temple, or we're going to a show tonight, say, yeah, go on with the flow.
Where do we go tomorrow? I'm just going to ride circles around the parking lot. To us, to all of us, to easy. Well done.
Well done.